Have you ever wondered what happens to airplanes after their final flight? Where do they go? Welcome to the airplane graveyard, a place where aircraft go to die or be reborn. Today we'll take you inside this fascinating world and show you how these giant machines are taken apart, piece by piece. Final landing. Most commercial planes serve for about 20 to 30 years. When it's time to retire, they're flown to dry, remote locations like Arizona, California, or New Mexico. Why? Because the dry air slows down corrosion, making it perfect for long-term storage. Initial inspection. Once a plane arrives at the graveyard, technicians perform a detailed inspection. They check which parts are still valuable: engines, landing gear, avionics systems, sometimes even seats. Many of these parts are removed and resold or reused in other aircraft. Stripping the interior. The interior is completely stripped out. Seats, galleys, oxygen masks, emergency slides, everything must go. Some items are sold at auctions. Others are recycled or turned into furniture, souvenirs, or even art. Dismantling the frame. After the inside is cleared, the real teardown begins. Massive saws, cranes, and torches are used to cut the plane into large chunks. Aluminum and other metals are separated and sent for recycling. Some of it might even end up in a brand new aircraft. Second life, the deeper meaning. But not all planes are scrapped. Some are transformed into cafes, hotels, classrooms, or even private homes. A few become museum pieces, preserved forever as part of aviation history. The deeper meaning. For every aircraft that retires, hundreds of parts are given new life. This isn't just about destruction, it's about transformation. In aviation, nothing truly goes to waste. A plane may stop flying, but its journey continues. Fascinated by what happens behind the scenes in aviation? There's so much more to discover. From engines to black boxes, pilot secrets, and flight mysteries. Subscribe to the channel and join us as we explore the hidden world of flight. Thanks for watching.